Just making a video just to show the functionality of the typewriter. Once you have removed it from the box, over here is the lock button. Just pull it on one, see it's released. Over here is the carriage releaser, see the typing. This is for the space bar. Okay, from here you insert the page like this. Just suck it up, bring up the carriage, bring up the scale, bring the page down, and then you will start writing from here. See, the typewriter is writing, fully functional. This is for the uppercase letters, lock, release, lock, release. This is for the shift. Okay, this is for the carriage releaser. You need to bring, if you wanted to bring the carriage on the left side, then you need to press this. Make sure your one hand is on the left side. This is for the line spacing. See, this is for the line spacing like this. This is for the space bar, and this is for the margins behind. These are the margins, left, right, left, right.